You know, we live in an interesting time right now. We have lots of new technology and medicine, all the information we can stand to learn. But more and more people are having health problems. There's all sorts of new diseases along with the old ones. People have to realize it has to do with their environment and what they're actually putting in their bodies. I've been gardening most of my life. It's something my family's always done. Having a garden helps you to be self-sustainable, providing for your family the satisfaction of working towards something and harvesting the rewards. It also teaches your kids about the value of working outside and about growing your own food. Clean food, that is. We started hosstools because we saw a need for high-quality gardening tools that would just make gardening easy. Over time, I've noticed that companies just didn't make tools like they used to, which was the inspiration for developing our first product, single wheel hoe. Now we have an extensive line of American-made products which include our garden seeders and a wide variety of wheel hoe attachments. Our mission is to bring gardening back to the American family. It's something that we feel strongly about because we know how life-changing growing your own food can be. I feel it's a pivotal time for us as a society to take in all this knowledge and get back to the basics. hosstools, we help you grow your own food.